In this video, we're going to talk about portraiture, how to light them, how to get the correct mood, and how I did it on this particular image that we're going to break down right now. This image, like many of my images, is very simple when you really break it down. It's a large octagon softbox, a 5-foot one, but I have removed the front diffusion from it and left only the internal one. The reason why I left the internal diffusion at all was so I'd get even light, because that's what I wanted. This model is not particularly tall. She's maybe like 5'2", 5'3". The light is actually just slightly higher than she is, so we don't get weird shadows, right? But if you notice, the shadows go to the side. So with this technique, I'm able to get this kind of like soft, beautiful light going across her, but still it has shadow. And we get things like her feet are still lit. Now, of course, her feet are falling off into like the minimal shadow, so they're a bit darker than the rest of her body. She's a kind of a pale skin model, and I pushed it to the extreme. I basically overexposed this, and then I pulled back my blacks in post-processing. What this did was it made her hair block up, the shadows kind of block up, and it gives it a kind of a painterly feel. I picked the background color, which is a roll of Savage paper, to match closely, but not exactly, the dress that she's wearing. So the whole thing has this warm tone with just these bright spots and these black spots for contrast to bring your eye in and give it, again, a really painterly feel. All the lights and stuff that I'm using to create this image, I'll put links to in the description below so you can check them out. You can also check out my Discord server. There's a link down there for that, and my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you get all the notifications, and I'll see you next time.